Let's transform into Among Us. And then play it. Oh my god, we're gonna play it while being Among Us. We'll start with the primer, of course, and I'm gonna go with the Elf Retro Paradise Glow Oil. I'm gonna be putting this oil on my face because we're gonna be putting so many powders on my face, and I think it's important to just have everything super hydrated. So to transform into the Among Us character, which I want to do the red one, I'm gonna be having a base that is super full coverage. So I'm gonna go with the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define little foundation, and I'll just put it everywhere on my face. I'm gonna blend, 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 blend. I look like I spent my whole entire life in the desert. I look so dry right now. Like, look at my lips. This foundation is so soul sucking. Like, this is. Oh. Then I'll go with the Instant Age Rewind from Maybelline, and hopefully it's gonna bring back some moisture into my life. I'm just gonna go put this all under my eye and to brighten up and really color correct anything that is wrong just for the base. Like I told you, I want something very full coverage because I'm gonna put some powder to equalize everything. We are ready for the powder. So the Laura Mercier setting powder, and I'm gonna be applying it with a puff all over my face just because the puff, like I always say now, it's just crazy good for some reason. Like, why did I never find this in my life? Like, this is way better. Did I say we're gonna play Among Us while being Among Us? Like, this is crazy. It's gonna be super fun. I never really played Among Us, so let's see how it goes and if I'm gonna actually enjoy it, you know? Like, I'm excited to see what it's gonna do. We are ready to sketch out whatever we have to do. Check what it looks like. So it's pretty simple. That's what it looks like. That is the character that I am talking about. We're gonna do this and maybe put, like, you know, the color, like the deeper red, the more red, and then blue, white, and dark blue. So we'll see with the dark lines. So I'm gonna start with sketching out the dark lines. I'm just gonna take a regular Wet n Wild black eyeliner. This one is for the eyes. It's a coal black eyeliner, and this is really just to sketch out in between my brows to bring it up, and we're just gonna go around like this around my eyes and go on my nose. Bless me. So my eyebrows are going to be thick like that. So I feel like the line should be as thick as my eyebrow minimum. Okay, so this is done. It's not completely done because after that I want to put some liquid liner. So this is just a sketch of what we're gonna do. The rest we all have to put it red, and I do not have in any way, shape, or form any cream colors. So it's gonna be very interesting how it turns out with powder. So if you want to be turned into Among Us, that's gonna be the best makeup tutorial for you. So we're gonna go going to the James Charles eyeshadow palette, and of course I was thinking of doing the red. So this one right here is gonna be super nice, and for any shadowing, anything, we might go into that one over here, which is a little bit more brownish, or I'll just find another color that will fit in this place. I think I'm gonna go with a brush that I usually use for setting powder under my eyes because I don't really use it that much, and I'm gonna go straight into the red and pack it on just because this one is, you know, like bigger, so I can cover a larger area with this. And it begins. It's really important to pack it on because if you go do something else, the pigment is gonna go somewhere else, and you want to avoid that, and you want to bring that red pigment all the way to the black, and that's why I made it thick enough, just because I want to have like a nice thing there. Okay, this is pretty damn good. So it's still gonna be patchy a little bit. I can't really avoid that altogether, so we're gonna keep it like this. I look exactly like it. Alright, so now next shade for the eye, I'm gonna go into that bright blue to have a beautiful contrast on my eyes. And I'm gonna concentrate, like, there's gonna be a part where I don't have, you know, on this eye, I guess, because like there's different colors. So I'm just gonna put this and then place it all around here. I'm gonna be so stained tomorrow. No, when I remove this, I hope I'll keep you updated on Instagram. You imagine my whole face is red? Oh my god. We need to do some contouring, so I'm gonna take the shade that I told you earlier and just put it like right here on here. And this is more like a brown shade. And it goes like this. So I'm gonna go put it on my lower lip and then bring it like this. Just like the picture. And now I'm gonna take that really shimmery shade because it's lighter than this one. I don't really have anything blue that is lighter and that is not a shimmer. So I'm gonna be taking that and putting it where I'm supposed to have some contour. That's why I have like all this thing, because when you look at the picture, there's like some lines with different colors. All right, so the colors with the eyeshadow is pretty much done. I look kind of crazy. It's kind of fun. So now what we'll do is I'm going to be doing the detailing of the goggles and of the white. So I want to do the white first because the eyes are not finished. I'm going to be taking the NYX Epic Wear eyeliner in the white one. And I'm just going to be doing a round thingy. This is done. I'm just letting it dry just a little bit before I pass to the eyeliner, and I have two. I have the MAC one and I have the Rare Beauty one, so I'm going to be using them both. I think I'm going to go with the Rare Beauty one first, just because I know that it works really, really well into my eyebrow. This eyeliner is kaput. It dries so quickly. I do not like it again. So I'm going to go with the MAC eyeliner just because it's gonna be better, I think, and we're gonna try to make it work as much as possible. So I'm just gonna go straight into it. We are now ready to play Among Us. And you know, I have a computer that I could play on, but I actually don't, like, I use it to record and everything. So we're gonna play with my phone, and I just installed the game on my phone. So I'm gonna be screen recording everything that I'm doing. So it's gonna be very, very fun. And we're just gonna play it for the first time ever with this makeup tutorial, with this makeup on, which is gonna be funny. So Among Us, as you can see, I know most of people just play on it on the computer, but I feel like not everybody has the time to play on their computer, and it's really fun to try it actually on, you know, on there. So it's gonna be right here when you can see, and I guess we're gonna go online and find game. Maybe. All right, so we are in. I don't know what we're supposed to do in here. I am in blues, so oh my god, it's not even me. Oh no, I'm gonna put myself red. Yes. Do I have a hat? No. Color. I'm red now. I can play around. I hope that some people will come on the game. I mean, I don't know what's gonna happen. Oh, another person is in. Another person is in. And I actually can't really see anything without my glasses, so excuse me if I do something weird or anything like this. 3 out of 4. Yes. Okay. So we just need one more person to go play with this. 2, 1, we're starting. Oh my god, okay. Crewmate, there is one imposter among us. So what are we supposed to do? I don't even know what to do. I don't know how to play. So this is crazy. Oh my god. Who killed someone? Dead body reported. Discuss. Who is the imposter? I guess. I don't know. You didn't touch it. Oh my god, they say that I killed them. It's not me. Oh my god, no, it's not me. I didn't even touch. You called me out. So that means... Oh my god, that is so weird. Like 4 people, like we all voted against each other. No one was ejected. It's a tie. Okay. So we are somewhere and we can do things. Comms sabotage. What is happening over there? Okay, we're gonna go over there. Sabotage, sabotage. I have to go, I guess, over here. There is something there. I think so. I don't know how to use this. Oh my god. I have to fix the radio? Like, how do I do this? Do you guys know how to fix the radio? I absolutely don't know. Defeat? Oh my god. It was a black one. It's his fault. Okay, play again, I guess. So I'm back in the game. So the host was the imposter. So, okay, we just need 2 more people for this game. So hopefully, maybe I can try another game. I don't know. This is just weird. It reminds me of another game. I just don't know which one it is. Like, I just don't remember it. Okay, I'm gonna change game. Leave game. Find a game in the public. Cutie face. Oh my god, we're a lot of people now. So I'm still red. This is gonna be fun. I don't know what's happening. Oh my god, why are we going so fast? We're at 10 now. We're at 10. Hello. Hello? Who's the imposter? Okay, let's... Crewmate. There is one imposter among us. So, why are we going so quickly, though? Okay. Is there a list of things to do? There is no computer. I know that there's a computer. Download the data. I know it's kind of weird. Like, we have to find other things to do. I hope that we can find everything. My tablet. Okay, so we can go download the data over here. Upload the data. Sometimes I don't know, like, what we have to do. Emergency meeting. Discuss. Who is the imposter? Who is it? Oh my god, somebody got killed. Why? Where? What? I don't know. What happened? Okay, so I don't know what happened. I guess I'm gonna vote for Jason because I don't know what else to say. And on top of that, like, it shows who you voted for, which is like people are now against you. Oh, because he called the meeting. He's oh no. Okay, is he the imposter? Oh no, it wasn't the imposter. Oh my god, what am I supposed to do? One imposter remains. Okay, what am I supposed to do? Upload the data. Upload. Why is this person following me? Just a second, I'm uploading the data up here. I guess maybe they have to upload data over there too. Okay, upload data. And do I have to do anything else? The one that calls for the meeting, it's like people are like... Oxygen depleted? Oh no! Oh geez, what are we supposed to do? Today's code... Victory? What do you mean victory? I really don't understand. Okay, somebody killed the... Alright, I'm done with this game. I don't even know how I'm supposed to play this. Like, it's just completely weird to me. I don't know. Like, this is kind of weird. Okay, what I have to say about this game is it's kind of fun when you're playing around with other people. It's just weird that... sometimes it goes so fast, especially on the phone, like you can't see really anything, and it goes so fast, you don't know what's happening, and then you're like, okay, victory, but who was the imposter? We don't know. Like, we don't know who's the imposter now, but it's okay. It was kind of a fun game, and it's free on top of it, so it's really, really nice. Play with other people, you try to do sketchy things, and so yeah, so that is me with my makeup of Among Us plus playing Among Us with my makeup look and you seeing the game at the same time. So it was pretty fun. I mean, I like it. I don't know if you liked it. Tell me down below if you liked it. If you liked the video, make sure to like the video and to comment down below anything that you have to say. Maybe some tips and tricks on how I would do this one better or anything like this, you know, I don't know. And consider subscribing to get more fun content like this. And I post 5 videos a week, Monday through Friday. So post a lot of content and sometimes lives on the weekend as well. So thank you so much for watching. I really, really love you, beauties. And I will see you in the next one. Bye, beauties.